Hi, my name is Dr. Mais. In this video, I want to teach you how to start making tutorial videos online without showing your face. A weak acid, that is the thermic acid. And this cation here is from a base, and that base is what? Sodium hydroxide. The first thing you need to have is an Apple iPad. Apple iPad, the recent ones, like Apple iPad 10th generation or 11th generation. Very important. And you don't need any extra software from complex editing before you start using it. This is very simple to use and very straightforward. Now, let's get started. You see, I used to use Apple iPad second generation, iPad Year 2, which is no longer advisable to use in 2026 because there are some things that are actually lagging there. To use base iPad for this role, you need to get iPad 10th generation or 11th generation. That's my recommendation on this. To make use of iPad, the first thing is that here is my iPad screen. So you have to go to Control Center of the iPad. So when you go there, so you see this recording button. So you click on it. Make sure it's microphone on. So you start recording. That's if you want to make use of the iPad microphone. However, if you want to use extra microphone, which I actually recommend for clear voice, so you may not have to turn this on. Then you go back. Then all your screen will be recording now. You have two options. The first option you have here is to make use of a third-party app or make use of iPad Notes. Either of the two is very okay, but I actually recommend making use of iPad Notes. The third-party app you can make use of is this one on my screen right now, Doodle app, exact this one. So you can go to App Store to download this. This is not available on Play Store or any iDot version. It only has iOS version, which is on the App Store. But for this video, I will only make use of iPad Notes. And to go to the iPad Notes, just have to click on the Notes icon. The amazing thing here is that you can make use of your hand to write directly on the screen without having to use any pen. However, if you can use Apple Pen or you can use any stylus pen that works with Apple product, that's also very okay. Now, so the next thing you can also do is you can clean the screen. You can do a lot of things here. You can make use of this. You can explore. Now, the next thing is, if you want to have lines on your screen, lines like notebook, you have options. And option to do that is like click on this icon here. So you have various options. So you can click on line grid. Then from here you have different lines that you want. If you are teaching a kid now, so you want to use a big line like this one. To show lines, you can actually write within the line as if you are writing on a note, which is also a very good option for you. You can write like that, A, B, C, so like that, and that's very easy. Another thing you can also do here is that after you finish your class, you can also turn it into PDF, so you can explore this. And also another thing that's also very important here is that once you are done, so you can also remember everything you are doing right now is on recording. You can stop the video by clicking on the red icon on top here, and when you click on it, the video is going to stop recording and you go to your photo app on the iPad to check what you have recorded. Here is my photo app and here is what I've recorded so far. Here I can actually cut this into the size I want for my video, and to do this is very easy to do. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on edit. So when I click on edit, so I have option to choose to crop. So I'll now crop. So I will crop the parts that I don't want, so I can actually crop that. And also we can actually crop the pen that is here so that it won't show that you are picking different pens on your screen, which I actually recommend. When you click on that, you can crop it to this part, and that's all. Then you save by clicking on done. So when you click on done, your video is saved, and it takes a few minutes before it's saved on your photo. Then you are ready to upload your video. You can upload your video to your students, and also you can upload it to the YouTube or your social media, depends on which. Features like caption, tutorial logos, and tutorial name, you may have to use CapCut. And in my coming videos, I'm going to make tutorials on how to add caption to your video and how to make use of CapCut for basic editing. And also I will make videos on platform, software, and where to upload your videos when you are done. For more related content, make sure you follow me on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much and click on subscribe button. Thank you.